Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to move money from your US bank account to Cash App in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it quickly and without any hassle. Whether you're saving for something big or just need cash on hand, this guide will make it easy. First things first, make sure you have both a US bank account and a Cash App account set up. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms for security reasons. It's a quick step that ensures your money is safe. Once that's done, open the US Bank app or log into their website on your computer. It's user-friendly, so navigation should be a breeze. Now, head to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for an option that says External Transfers or something similar. This is where the magic happens. If you haven't linked your Cash App before, you'll need to add it as a recipient. Enter your Cash App details, like your cash tag or linked bank info, and double-check everything for accuracy to avoid delays. Next, select the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be daily limits or small fees depending on your US bank account type, so check that in advance. Hit Confirm and authorize the transfer, most likely with a PIN, fingerprint, or two-factor authentication. The money should hit your Cash App within 1 to 3 business days in 2025, thanks to faster banking networks. One tip: always monitor your accounts after the transfer to ensure everything goes through smoothly. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, contact US Bank customer support. They're pretty responsive these days. There you have it. Withdrawing from US Bank to Cash App is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.